In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to warm up for meditation. So meditation is an exercise. To perform an exercise, we need to warm up, the exercise itself, and the cool down. So this is our warm-up introduction. The best way that I found to prepare for meditation is to practice a little bit of yoga asanas, do some of the active breath work, do a couple of bodily positions, and just make sure my body is in the correct posture for meditation. So I'm going to show you now, we're going to do just a quick, brief yoga introduction asana. We're going to sit down, assume the correct bodily position. We're going to do just a few corrective routines. Then we're just going to do a couple rounds of active breath work, and we're going to dive right into our meditation. So thanks for joining me on this warm-up. Let's go get after it. Stand with your feet just a little bit past shoulder width. Now just twist from left to right, right to left. Calming down, focusing on my breathing, noticing the present environment all around me. Do a couple breaths in, just a gentle twist. Hands come up, reach up, go up onto your tiptoes, come down, exhale, stretch. Perfect, breathe in. Switch over to your right leg, left leg goes back. Runner's lunge. Few breaths here. Drop the knee, open the hips. Come up onto your right leg, exhale. Stretch. Loosen the hamstrings. Go down onto your feet. Come up, Cobra Pose, breathe out. Breathe in. Downward dog. Breathe here. Right leg steps up, left leg falls behind, and reach down, stretch. Bend your knees, gently come up while you breathe in. Inhale. Hands come up overhead, down to heart center. Hands go down, release. Come back up. Breathe in. Search up on your tippy toes. Exhale. Bend over. Now left leg steps forward, runner's lunge. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drop the right knee. Open the hips. Come up onto your left leg. Stretch down. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right, one more time. Go down to Cobra. Breathe out. Open your back, chest, shoulders. Breathe in. Downward dog. Left leg steps up. Stretch down. You can rock back and forth, side to side. Hands go behind the back. Opening up the chest. Breathing out. Bend the knees. Gently come up. Hands go overhead. Reach up. Come down to heart center. One more time. Hands come up overhead. Fingers interlace. Stretch up. Stretch to your left. And arms go to the right. Stretch. Push out. Fingers come behind the back. Open the chest. Yeah, that feels great. Shoulder rotation forward. Neck rotation. Switch sides. Perfect. All right, let's get our chair and resume the sitting meditation posture. All right, excellent job so far. So now we're seated in our meditation posture. Feet are flat on the ground. Knees are at a nice 90-degree angle. Back, neck, head, and shoulders are all in perfect alignment. You can imagine a string or coins pulling upwards. Chin is tucked in, shoulders back. Hands can either be palm up, palm down, in the lap, or on the hips. That's a good posture. There we go. Perfect. So just a few bodily adjustments here. Grab your chair, twist to the right, and twist to the left. Put your hands on your upper thighs. Push up to extend and elongate your back. Hand reach up overhead. Push, squeeze, separate, push out. There you go. Now we can just get out any last little bit of movement. We can rock back and forth, front to back, side to side, and just come back to your perfect meditation posture. Let's do just an active round of breath work here. Remember our breath work, it's belly, heart, out. So, and this can either be with the mouth or with the nose. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do an active breath work. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Belly, heart, out. Belly, heart, out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze and hold. Squeeze every muscle of your body. Any tension now will be exiting the body. 3, 2, 1. Release. Hold this exhale. Great. Now inhale. Release. All right, let's dive deep. Go all the way in your meditation. Let it all go. Focus on your breathing, your fire concentration point. Dive deep into the state of meditation. Realize yourself. Infinite Divine Spirit is with you now. Realize it, become it, feel it, believe it, receive it. Dive deep now. Enjoy. Thank you. I love you.